Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech to help you find what's worth your wallet. And today, we're looking at what might just be the best wireless earbuds you can buy right now, the all-new Amazon Echo Buds. Amazon's latest Echo Buds have entered the scene not with a bang, but with refinement. They're lightweight, smart, surprisingly powerful, and come with enough features to make even premium brands sweat. Let's dive into everything you need to know before buying. Starting with the design. These are semi-in-ear earbuds, which means they rest just inside your ear without sealing off the ear canal. This design keeps you more aware of your surroundings while still delivering solid sound. And thanks to the included silicone covers, you can customize the fit for comfort and security, whether you're at your desk or on a jog. Under the hood, the Echo Buds pack 12mm drivers. What that means for you is a rich, balanced sound profile, crisp highs, decent mids, and a bass that's punchy but not overwhelming. Whether you're streaming your favorite playlist, catching up on a podcast, or diving into an audiobook, the audio experience holds up impressively well. Each earbud includes 2 microphones and a voice detection accelerometer, ensuring your voice cuts through clearly during calls, even in noisy environments. One of the standout features here is seamless device switching. With multi-point pairing, the Echo Buds can connect to 2 devices at once. Take a call on your laptop, then jump back into music on your phone without repairing. It's quick, easy, and just works. And then there's Alexa. These buds bring the voice assistant with you wherever you go. Play music, make calls, set reminders, check the weather, all hands-free. And if you're more into Siri or Google Assistant, those work too with tap-to-access support. Battery life is solid. Up to 5 hours of playback per charge, or 6 if you turn off hands-free Alexa. With the compact charging case, you get up to 20 hours in total. And a 15-minute quick charge gives you about 2 hours of playback, perfect for when you're in a rush. Customization is where the Echo Buds shine. Using the Alexa app, you can assign different tap controls, play, pause, skip tracks, answer calls, mute microphones, and more. There's even an audio personalization feature that tests your hearing range and tailors the sound profile to your ears. And yes, they're sweat-resistant with an IPX2 rating, which means they'll hold up during light workouts or walks in the rain. Just don't drop them in water. Great sound, solid battery life, voice assistant integration, and smart features wrapped in a comfortable, eco-conscious design. If you want wireless earbuds that do more for less, these are absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've tried the new Echo Buds or if there's another pair you think beats them. See you in the next one.